Hello guys. So this is a very quick and useful tips for me. So I want to open multiple projects with WindSurf or any Visual Studio Code variant that, for example, I'm currently on this project, and if I open another project, a recent, for example, then this window will disappear. So okay, so let me try opening another project. You see that it replaced the current project. So how do you open multiple projects at the same time? Multiple instances of WindSurf or Visual Studio Code. So the the tip is to open your terminal. So for example, I have, not sure if command prompt would work, but let me try. Okay, it works. So when you install Visual Studio Code or WindSurf, and you have an option to install the command to populate the command into the path. So here I can try code and the folder, then it will open uh, that folder in Visual Studio Code or WindSurf. So for example, I have this project here. You type in, then I would projects and another project I would like to open it WindSurf, right? Then I would be, and if I not sure this work, but run PowerShell WindSurf, okay, WindSurf. On Windows, you would need to CMD to type CMD, but on Mac or Linux, you don't have to. So don't forget to enter the dot naming for the current folder. So you can see that I can open two windows of WindSurf here. So here I'm at the current location, current directory. But if you want to open the project when you are not in that directory, simply, so for example, I would go to up to a few level like that. So I can reserve CMD and then the path. And sure enough, you can still open that project in WindSurf, and you can apply the same trick with Visual Studio Code. So instead of WindSurf.cmd and type code, then you can see that I have Visual Studio Code window with my project here. So that is the trick, the tips that help you open multiple projects with the WindSurf or Visual Studio Code. Or I think Cursor, you would be able to do the same, but I don't have Cursor installed, so I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.